Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studios for their design team, and I'm using this bold kit from October 2024. It is adorable. I can't say enough about it. I mean, it is full. It's full of like the cutest of autumn goodness. I mean, the patterns are adorable. And I did go ahead and fussy cut these out from some of the pattern papers. I just spent a little bit of time and I had so much fun cutting out all kinds of gorgeousness. Now, here's the thing. Oh, and here's my picture. This is a picture of Blue when he was a baby in all kinds of leaves at my son's first house. Okay, so we have that. Now I'm thinking that this piece here, this orange, would be a gorgeous, gorgeous border. Great. If I had it like this, but what if I do a tiny bit of the green as well? I think, oh yes, yes, yes. I love that. Okay, so I've got that to border just a piece of white cardstock from my stash because I'd really like a bunch of these embellishments to be the total star of the show. So we've got leaves on leaves, right? So what if we just give ourselves a nice pile of them, however many I cut out. And there wasn't a real rhyme or reason to how many I cut. I just was like, oh, that seems fine. So let's do an orange one over there, another white one here. Oh, we've got 3 orange. Sweet, sweet. So we've got that. We can have Blue in this pile of them. Thank you very much. He's gorgeous. Now I can go ahead and mat this with the green pattern paper. I think that would be super beautiful. Actually, I already like it just like that. That's so funny. I've done like nothing to it. I just love. We can have that. And then I'm thinking it would be super cute as well to bring in some of these beautiful little pumpkins. Showing off all of those patterns is pretty much what we're doing here. Okay, so we've got some pumpkins in there. Oh, guys, look at this pattern. So I am beyond smitten, quite frankly, with the goodies in these collections. Every month we see what she comes up with, and every month I say, bow to you. Such gorgeous work. Okay, I'm gonna put some of my pumpkins up there. I can always bring in more. Ooh, look at this piece of artwork with this gorgeous little pumpkin. We have fall vibes. Hello Autumn might be so cute. As like, oh, I like it right there. That's so funny because normally I wouldn't. And what if we have maybe a little pumpkin up there to bring in like a centered design? Rather simple, but I think that might be kind of effective. Okay. So we have all of that. I love this design. I'm thinking of getting some inks. You guys, by the way, these are some of the fab embellishments I'm going to be tucking in. But I'm thinking, do I want to come in with just a little bit of ink? I could do that with just a little bit, not a lot, a little bit of like a pink and a mac and cheese yellow to kind of, do this like wide smiley face or you kind of a vibe. And then just a little bit going up this way. I think I'm going to do that really quickly. Let's see. I've got one pink brush. I've got one orange brush. All right. I'm going to mat this layout, right? I'm going to create a little bit of inky work, maybe a couple splatters, and then we're going to tuck lots of this gorgeousness in. Okay, guys, layout's done. It's like the product has taken care of it all for us. All right, so let me do that. And I'll meet you right back here. Guys, I had so much fun doing this like kind of dinking around and playing with these pieces. So I've got some nice pumpkins. I've got some leaves. I've got Hello Autumn, a sweet little pumpkin up top. So pretty. Okay, so it's kind of like just a pile of cuteness. What I'd like to do also though is bring some of these like gorgeous little wood leaves in here. So why don't I take this little piece off for now from my hand. And then these are like little glue dots. which are perfect for this kind of thing to just hold things down. So at this point, I just want to see like where some of these pieces would really get to shine. Because they're so, oh, look at this one. This one's super pretty. So I'm going to tuck these in. We've got a couple of these floral pieces if I want to tuck them in. Oh, and then these fabric-y leaves. So we're going to have some gorgeous texture. We get to have the dimension. We've got foam behind it. It's just happiness, goodness. Oh, see the purple here? Totally brings in the purple in my oak leaf. Let's see. So it's like there's purplies on this side and just green on this side. So you can actually get pretty darn custom with your gorgeousness. All right, so I think that's super pretty coming out of there. I just dropped my gluey dots, so we have that. Now, let's see. Sorry if I'm bumping anything. Let's look at a couple of these little fabric-y pieces. Oh, they're so pretty. I think I'm gonna grab liquid adhesive. And guys, I haven't used, I didn't think it would open. I haven't used this in like a month. I've barely been in my craft room because we've had lots of fun things going on. So I thought I would bring in a little bit of these gorgeous pieces for just a tiny bit more texture, you know, because there's not a lot in here. Clearly, I've got everything going on, but I like all of the things. It's okay. So let's see. Maybe coming off here, lots of the colors, so pretty. I don't think I'm gonna bring in the flowers because I'm sticking to the leaves and things here. Look at these, I've got little, I can't. Look at these little wooden hearts for my puppy, my sweet little puppy. Okay, you know what I could do? I could put one up top, which would be adorable. So I'd have 3 little things in this stack. Yikes. I'm hoping it's kind of even. And then I'll put these other 2 just in and around the flowers. Let's see. Ooh, what if I kind of build out my cluster just a tiny bit more and having them on my edges? Come on. Can barely get glue through. Come on, mister. This is what happens when you've been away. So guys, all over my craft room, I just have boxes and things from projects that have come in and I haven't had time to touch anything. So I'm hoping to get some traction. I did a huge meal prep sesh, so dinners are cooked for probably the next 2 weeks. So I'm feeling pretty darn good. All right, I've got a couple hearts. I've got one up there. I think that's super cute. I really don't even know if I need anything else. I'm gonna look. I just feel so happy with it. Happy. Now, I did tell you guys I was gonna just get a little of inking behind it, just so I had a little something going. It's not the star of the show, but definitely it is in there. And yeah, I wanted it to have a little bit of a haze. I'm not feeling like I need to do anything else. Just making sure though. I'm like, I like to look at everything I have in my kits, and we've got, guys, I could fussy cut forevermore with these gorgeous bits. I mean, I'm looking at the florals and I love the fabric, and I know I said I wasn't going to use them. What if I just bring in a few? Which now makes me a big old liar. I'm gonna bring in 3. All right, I'm gonna tack in 3 flowers. So this is for me to tell you the rest. I will have links down below. I'm gonna have an affiliate link as well as, guys, I just had my glue and now it's missing. It's amazing. All right, I'm gonna have my affiliate link. Also, I'm gonna have a link for the Facebook group so you can come in. We have the cutest sketch challenge with a twist every month. And our fearless leader comes up with it for us and does the most beautiful job. And then you can see everything that the design team is up to. You can see what fellow subbies are creating with all of these treasures It is a hoot, just a hoot of hoots. Go on, you guys. It's not wanting to stick. Are you on there now? Nope. I'm like, did I? Yeah, I don't know what I did. So I'm going to have all the links down below. I'm going to have a few still shots to follow, but as things go, guys, this layout is all finished. I had so much fun creating it. I'm going to hold it up though. And is there anything else for me to tell you? I actually cannot believe I'm sitting here doing any kind of like autumn crafting. And I know that it's October, but I'm like literally feeling like it's the first week of June. I don't know what happened. So I have that, and then maybe right up here, we'll tuck one right in there. Cute, cute. So we can see all the goodies. Okay, that, my friends, is this layout finished. I had so much fun creating it. I love all of the textures and the dimension and all of the pretty bits. So this was using the October 2024 kits from Color Rush Studio, and this is the Bold Kit. Bye for now, friends.